Hi everyone, today let's tackle a physics problem involving electric current. We'll be given the number of electrons passing a point in a circuit over a certain time and asked to calculate the current. Here imagine the simple electric circuit is shown and the time taken here for the electron is 60 seconds. So let me break it down. And for the number of the charges and number of electrons, it's 4.8 times 10 powered by 20 electrons. The one thing is not given here, but you can get from the formula sheet the value of the electric charge, which is 1.6 times 10 powered by minus 19 coulomb. Step 1, to answer the question, remember here there is a secret keyword. I will show you what does it mean. Show that this is very important. Please highlight in your exercise book or your physics. It's a very important and valuable information. And show that the current at the point Z, which is 1.3 ampere. So firstly, use the given to calculate the total Q, the electric charge, which is N times E. The number of the charges, which is 4.8 times 10 powered by 20, times the value of the charge, which is 1.6 times 10 minus 19 coulomb. The value of the Q, which is 76.8 coulomb. Definitely you can use the calculator. So there is one equation linking the time and the quantity and the current, which is Q equals IT. So the electric current equals the Q divided by T. 76.8 divided by the time taken, which is 60 seconds. So the correct answer, which is 1.28 ampere. You will get 3 marks. 1 mark for showing the correct answer with the unit. So let me highlight 1.28 ampere. The second point is showing the formula, which is Q equals IT. This is the second mark. And the value of the electric quantity, which is 76.8. So this is mark 1 and this is mark 2 for rearranging and the substitution of the Q over T. You get 3 out of 3. Show that it means you have to show the examiner or your answer must have one more significant figures than the examiner's one. So in this question, my answer for the electric current is 1.28 ampere, which is approximately 1.3 ampere. But you have to show the examiner that your answer is 1.28 ampere. And then in section B, you have to use the value 1.28, not 1.3. In section B, he already gave us again the time taken, so the T equals 60 seconds, and the energy transfer, which is the work done through the resistor, or the resistor transfer, 24 joule. This is the energy, and the examiner is asking for calculating the potential difference, which is the PD or voltage. So there is one simple formula linking the voltage, which is the work done over the charge, and the work done over the charge, which is I times T, the current times the time. The value of the work done, which is 24, divided by the current was 1.28. Use your answer. Do not use the examiner one. Do not use 1.3. Then times the time taken, which is 60. So please write the unit first, which is voltage for potential difference. Use the calculator, the answer, which is 0.31. 2 significant figures as well. 2 to 3 significant figures, you are amazing and you get 5 out of 5 in this question.